Hello everyone and welcome. Today let's make oven baked pasta. To start with, I will make chicken keema. Steps are same just like my lasagna recipe. I will add the link of the lasagna recipe video at the end of this one. For pasta, I have chosen this shape. To boil the pasta in the water, add a bit of salt and oil. Next is preparing the white sauce. For white sauce, you will need butter, all-purpose flour, sugar, oregano, liquid milk. Steps are same as I showed in my lasagna recipe. Once the white sauce is prepared, add the boiled pasta to the white sauce and mix them well. Add already cooked chicken keema with this white sauce mixed pasta and cook it for another 10 minutes in low flame. Then in an oven-proof bowl, add the pasta and then spread the shredded cheese on the top. Make sure you feel all the corners and every bit of the pasta so that you can get a perfect outcome. Bake it in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. Keep the heat medium, and once done, then enjoy. Thanks for watching.